that sound really expressive to you? Did it sound expressive and yet somewhat halting? Did it sound expressive and yet somewhat clunky? Was I actually trying to be expressive, and does that trying actually disturb? Shouldn't expression be natural and unforced? Hi, I'm Alan Fraser, and this is Piano Somatics, where we learn to move better in order to play better. And Piano Somatics has another approach to this expressive second theme from the Chopin G minor Ballade. It's all about standing and moving. I stand, I move my body, I get out of the chair, and I go. What if I did the same thing for this theme? Stand, go. So you see, standing and walking and poising gives an entirely new insight into the shape of this melody and its expressive potential. People like to mark the downbeat, but Chopin wrote those phrases across the downbeat almost universally. And when I stand and walk, then I realize I'm poised here. I'm poised on a long note. I'm experiencing the long note. I'm not rushing it. And then I connect through the downbeat. Yeah? You see, when I am standing and walking, I'm constantly in a state of unstable equilibrium. And in that state of unstable equilibrium, I am sensitive to the possibilities for expressively directed micro-timing. It's very delicate, it's very sensitive. Sometimes it's only literally a thousandth of a second rubato. And yet, it's honest. It comes from a place of spontaneous feeling. It's not manufactured, produced. When I bring in the weight, it's actually too cumbersome. I'm denying myself the sensitivity needed for expressively directed microtiming. So you see, this standing and walking and running and jumping, the language of piano somatics, it would seem to help us technically and everything, but it also has a very, very deep significance in terms of musicianship and quality of expression.